Hey guys, Jay-Z Kicks here. Today I'm coming at you with an unboxing of a brand new pair of shoes. I ordered these from shop.exclusivity.com. I will leave a link down below. These just recently dropped in their collaboration with Converse and this artist that I like a lot. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you guys can see right here, we got an upside down Converse box. I'm sure you guys can tell exactly what these are just because of the box. These are obviously the Fleur Converse collaboration with Tyler the Creator. So let's see what they look like. Come in a little dust bag here, which is pretty nice. You guys can see right here, it's almost like a sack. It's like a weird Apple sack. But of course, inside the sack are the shoes in this weird wrapping paper. It's weird, they're wrapped individually, but these are the shoes right here. As you can see, I decided to go ahead and get these in the green colorway. I also decided to get them in a size 10 because I usually wear an 11, 11 and a half, so I'm hoping these will fit. But yeah, these are the shoes right here. As you can see inside, they come with different laces. There's white, orange, and green, of course. If you're wondering why it comes with orange, it's because the outsole right here, as you can see, is orange and white with the flowers on it. And then oddly enough, I didn't really point this out, but on the bag right here, if you guys can see, there's like a pink lace right here. I almost thought this was a shoelace, but it just seems like this bag is actually meant to be used as like a reusable sack. So that's kind of cool. Real quick side note, I'd like to say that the leather on the sock liner of this shoe is super nice. If you guys are wondering, like I said before, I'm a size 11 in Vans Old School and 11 and a half or 12 in almost all other shoes. So this is the size difference right here. As you can see, these are a Vans size 11 and the Converse are a size 10, and they're just about the same length. I would say the Converse are a bit narrower, but not narrow enough to make a difference in actual sizing. So I got 10 in these and they fit absolutely perfect. If you guys are wondering, this is my foot. My toe is right here, so I have about a thumb of room, which I usually like. But yeah, the shoes are absolutely perfect. I could see myself wearing these a ton. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a detailed on foot, and also what color laces should I put on them. And with all that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.